ba, sabi ko sa inyo noon, tatandaan niyo pa ba yung kakantahin ko yung Little Pretty Lady? Ayun na, kakantahin ko na ngayon. Wait lang, iiyak ka! Okay, sure na talaga to. Sure na sure. Sure na sure. Sure na sure. Sure na sure. Go! Who can next the flowers? I sit for hours, telling now the bluebirds. I'm feeling cool birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. We can ask the flowers. Gusto ko kaya. Huwag nyo tayo pa-pause. Huwag nyo to. Padamihin nyo to ng likes. Pag kayo talaga hindi. Pero kinapat ko to. Dapat yun lang ilalike ka. Joke lang. Yung emotion. Motion naman ni person. Motion ni person, Medyo nakikita niyo camera ko kasi nakaano lang ako. Short film lang to. Short film lang, Short film. Dito, video, Okay, guys. So, ito na. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Subscribe.